Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix audio not working after Windows Update. Several Windows users are experiencing issues after updating. Windows issues such as audio is not working. This is a very frustrating experience, especially if you rely mostly on your audio device for your computer-related processes or work. In this video, let us go through step-by-step troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix this issue. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, run Audio Troubleshooter. The very first thing that you need to do if you are facing audio-related issues is to run Audio Troubleshooter, a built-in troubleshooter tool. Search your computer for problems and fixes them if there are any found. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Playing Audio. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Select which device you want to troubleshoot, then click Next. Then choose to open or not audio enhancements. Windows will now detect problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Check if issue still occurs. Second solution, Rollback Wi-Fi Adapter drivers. It is possible that audio drivers are not compatible with the latest update. Try to roll back driver to the version before you experience the issue of audio not working. To do this, press Windows, key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Audio, Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on the problematic driver and then click Properties from the drop-down menu. At Properties window, click Driver tab, then select Rollback Driver tab. If Rollback Driver is grayed out, it means no previous driver has been installed for that device on your computer. Click OK to exit, and then check if issue still occurs. Third solution, Update Driver. An outdated driver can also be the cause for your audio device to not work after Windows Update. Make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Audio, Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Then select the option Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will now search for available drivers. Once latest drivers are already installed, click Close to exit and then check if audio not working issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.